Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own game in just a seconds. It will take just 2 seconds to create any game for you. So just type here cerebrascoder.com. Sarah Cerebras Coder. Okay. So Cerebras Coder is a website.com. You just need to tell anything like suppose create a tic-tac-toe game. Okay, and enter 1 2. In just 2 seconds, he created a game for me. Let me just try. It's working. Okay. And try. Oh, player access win. That's really amazing, right? He created a fantastic game. Let's try another game. Okay. Create a calculator. 1, 2. And he created it, but not look good as much I expected. But try 7, 8, and okay. And then plus, and that will be 2. Then equal. Let's try. Oh, that's fantastic. That's working, but not as much as impressive. But yeah, he created calculator in just 2 seconds. Let's try some another app, another game. Create 3D game and enter 1, 2, 3, 4. In just 4 seconds, he created 3D game. How this? How I don't know how we can play this. Oh, really amazing! Like we can use. I'm using an arrow key to move that. Wow, fantastic! I really like it. So this is really amazing tool. Using that, you can create any games in just few seconds. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.